Today we're talking about some stuff that happens today. Basically, just what I want to do is so basically I want to be so mostly I do Solana stuff, but I also want to check out the ETH NFTs and want to continue doing some more of the BSC meme coins and that stuff. Basically, just me explaining why I want to go to different networks and yeah, that sort of thing. The obvious reason is to make more money, of course. So then I'm trying to find more potential investments. The ETH NFT side has me more interested. Yeah, I don't have a whole lot of ETH NFT stuff, so I would like to build my bag on the ETH side. But it is quite difficult since we are in the bear market. And I don't have much alpha, so I bought one of these things, the nifty portals, because it's like really cheap compared to other alpha groups. Yeah, so the ETH side is kind of tough for me to find anything like the whitelist stuff. That's kind of tough to get into. And the mints, of course, they have the gas wars sometimes. So yeah, sometimes you can lose a little bit of money if it's not that high in gas. I think that's good for the ETH NFT side. The BSC and the Avalanche and all those ones. Most of those YouTubers, you probably like already follow them, like this guy, the Crypto Talk. I'm in his R2R group. It's like his little private group. So yeah, I'll start paying attention more here. The funny thing about this one was I'm actually in the wrong Telegram group, so I missed out on this really big pre-sale for this one. If you know Splasted Network on the Avalanche drip clone. So yeah, big missed opportunity on here. So I put up all the usual YouTubers for this sort of network, like Avalanche, BSC, FANTOM. These are YouTubers that fall in this category are just Crypto Talk, of course, Crypto Mischief. These are all just big ones. So Bartertown, probably you already know all these ones. LA Crypto, and then Crypto Audi King. I'm looking at what they are finding as well. Sometimes it's not like that crazy good, but you never know. As you know, most of my strategy is flipping stuff. So if people are flipping NFTs on the secondary market, I have never really done that. So I'm not very good at it just yet. I would like to try a bit, but yeah, not sure. I think I ripped up for today's out, just checking out all the different networks, and of course the BSC meme coins. You probably know these channels already, just checking them out and seeing if they are any good meme coins. The market's pretty bearish, so as you know, a lot of these are pumping and dumping. As always, don't subscribe to the channel for more potential investments and that sort of thing. You can check out this video on the upcoming Solana ones.